Hello and welcome to another update video about Gala. Gala is still within the parameter, or moves still within the parameters of this proposed micro structure I shared with you in the last video. The idea is still that the price could be forming here this A wave to the upside, which is part of a much larger ABC correction in a wave 2. Resistance starts at 6.2 cents, main resistance on the chart. Then we've got 10.1 cents, 16.6 and 33.6 cents as we go higher in this ABC structure. The A wave is probably not yet complete, should still unfold a little higher, at least as long as certain levels are holding. We're going to zoom in and take a look at that in a minute. Then we should get at some point a B wave pullback. If that's corrective, it could set up the price for a rally in a C wave. And that means that even in this corrective rally, the price could potentially, if it wants to, rally to 33 cents within this scenario. So it could participate in a bull run if it wants to, but would really need to break above 33 cents to unlock prices to all-time high territory and challenge the wave count I have here on the chart. Sure, you know, more bullish scenarios are possible, rallies to new all-time highs are possible, but not the primary expectation until the market can prove to us that the price can rally above 33 cents in 5 waves. Let's take a look at the shorter time frame. Here the idea is that this A wave that I just talked about subdivides into a 3-wave move. A wave, top tier likely on the 27th of November, around 2.8 cents. We had a small B wave pullback, and then here the C wave might be unfolding right now, but it doesn't look like an impulse, so it's a very choppy diagonal pattern possibly. So we have to prepare ourselves mentally as well for potential changes in the wave count. But yeah, it could still go higher. The key level that I'm watching, first of all, we've got this trend line here, this previous breakout trend line, and support of the trend line is around 2.8 cents. But then we have also a few invalidation points, a couple of invalidation points. So the idea that the third wave has started will have to be revised due to invalidation on the chart if the price breaks below 2.7 cents. And then the next key level is at 2.47 cents. So certainly a break below these levels would not be very favorable for the bullish scenario, short-term bullish, and would seriously challenge it. And we might then be dealing with, maybe already this wave B pullback. But as I said, the microstructure isn't very clear. I think a few levels to watch are these invalidation points, and especially the breakout trend line as critical support. If we get a sustained break above the 3.5 cent level, then the next target is, in my opinion, the 5 cent level. That's the next key resistance level and would also be an ideal target for the third wave here. But we need that breakout first above that, basically this previous high around 3.5 cents. It's previous resistance, and there was an attempted breakout here a few days ago, but it wasn't a sustained break. Okay, tried it, failed, but hasn't broken any previous lows, so can still try it again in wave C of 3. The wave B might have bottomed. It's again, the microstructure is not clear, so don't see it as too predictive. But if the C wave is unfolding of wave 3, then I'd be watching the 1.618 extension at around 5 cents, as one of the next key levels. But there are different ways of measuring the targets. We can also take the length of wave 1, go to the low of the wave 2, and then the key area that wave 3 could target is sort of 4.1 to 4.7 cents, maybe higher, but so maybe starting at 4.1 cents as reasonable target area for circle wave 3. Then we should get a 4 and a 5. But yeah, it's a bit of a difficult chart, bit of a difficult count, not clearly bullish. I'm leaning towards further upside, but how exactly it's going to do that is a bit nebulous. So it's more important than ever here to take a look and to observe the micro structure and the relevant invalidation points and support levels. That's my update about Gala. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.